how to change the lock screen time to 12-hour or 24-hour clock format in Windows 11. Changing the lock screen clock in Windows 11 is a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your daily workflow. By default, Windows 11 displays the time in a 12-hour format, but some users prefer the 24-hour style for clarity. The good news is that switching between these formats only takes a few steps. Let's walk through the process. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Change time format in Windows settings. Let's start with the easiest option, using Windows settings. Press Wind+I to open settings. Go to Time and Language, Language and Region. Under Regional Format, select Change Formats. In the Long Time dropdown, choose a 12-hour clock with AM/PM if you prefer that style. Choose a 24-hour format for military style time. Close settings and your lock screen and taskbar clock will update. If they don't, restart your PC to apply the change. Change time format in Control Panel system-wide. That works well for personal accounts, but what if you want the change applied system-wide? In that case, use the Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the Start menu. Go to Clock and Region, Region. On the Formats tab, adjust the short and long time formats. Then, under the Administrative tab, select Copy Settings. Apply your changes to the welcome screen and system accounts. This ensures the clock format is consistent for every user. Note that this method requires administrator rights. Advanced options, admins and power users. Advanced users and IT admins can also explore Registry Editor to manually change time format values, PowerShell scripts to automate updates. For most users though, sticking with Settings or Control Panel is the safest approach. A clear and consistent clock reduces confusion, especially if you're working across teams or time zones. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing the Windows 11 lock screen time format linked in the description below.